Hi guys and welcome back to the bakery, and today we're going to be making jam donuts. Anyway, we'll get on with the video.
Perfect.
Right, for the bun dough, what you need is the flour, just ordinary baker's flour, 2 ounces of caster sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 8 ounces of milk, 2 ounces of egg, 2 ounces white shortening, and also then baker's yeast, which is 2 ounces. Right, and what we do, we put the flour into the bowl, followed by the yeast with the fat, and we just mix this around a bit, like that. Now pop in your milk, your eggs, your salt and your sugar, and just mix it all round like that with your hook. Right, that's like that. We'll just pop it onto the machine. You want to be mixing this for 10 minutes. You may need to add a bit more flour to it. Depends on the type of flour you've got. Now you want to knock it onto second speed for 1 minute. Give it a scrape down. That's ready. And now we'll put it on the table. And that's it. And all we do then, mould it up. And that's it. Rest the table down, just put them on there. We'll be resting this now for around about 10 minutes. And we're now ready, and we're now going to scale the donuts at 3 ounces. Mould it out, split, Right guys, get yourself some baking parchment, and on the top either rice cones or semolina, and just sprinkle on the top like this. And just place your donuts on the top like this. Give them plenty of room to spread out. And all we do then is just cover them up over. The donuts should take around about half an hour to prove up. But in the meantime, put your fryer on. You want to be up to around about 160. Right guys, the donuts are now ready and we'll get on with frying them. Right guys, let's pick them up. And this will be your, obviously, chip pan or frying pan. And just plonk them on the fat, like that. And then we just hook them over. Sprinkle your tray with some sugar, caster sugar. Now for me, I can cheat. Ta-da! Right, and then what you do is you place your donuts on the sugar tray. These are hot. Right guys, and now for the jam donuts. Just dip your jam donuts into sugar, both sides, get them well covered. Like that. And this is caster sugar. Don't bother with icing sugar, it's horrible stuff. Right, and now for putting the jam in, just get a knife into the middle, just turn it round like this. Get your piping bag. Some jam in, into the hole and squeeze. You can put whatever flavour jam you like in. This is actually raspberry and apple jam. And I've been using the same jam for a good part of 50 years. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe and do share. And do check out the description below for the recipe. Anyway, laters!